since she came out of that house, she have been doing great. Like, she have been doing amazingly well. Hello everyone, you're welcome back to the channel. How you guys doing? To my returning subscribers, you're very much welcome. I appreciate your love. To my new subscribers, if you're here for the first time, you're most definitely welcome. My name is Divine Okonkwo. I believe by the end of this video, I'll give you 1 or 2 reasons for you to be able to subscribe to this channel. So you guys, in today's video, I'll be sharing with you, I'll be, like just as the title say, I'll be unboxing and also giving my review on this particular product. So if you're among those people, my type of person, my kind of person is the person I'm very prone to shaving stick. I already shared this story in one of my videos. If you have not seen that video, kindly do so. My home waxing experience, kindly do so, check it out. So I shared my experience on that video. I told you guys that I'm prone to shaving stick, and that was why I started using waxing. And waxing, on the other hand, is very painful. Not that I will not be using my waxing, I'll be using the waxing, but I have to be changing it, okay? So it's not every time I have to pass through that pain, because the pain of waxing is not here. Are you prone to shaving stick, or are you scared of waxing pain and all that? Then this video is for you. So sit tight and enjoy this video. So you guys, in today's video, I'll be unboxing this Simply Thatcher hair laser remover. Yes, I'm like, I don't know who is as excited as I am. Sarah, stop. You guys, this video is not in any way sponsored. I'm just here giving my honest review, my honest opinion on what I think about this product. So if you haven't heard of this product is recently launched by Simply Thatcher. If you don't know who Simply Thatcher is in Nigeria, you're on a long thing. Simply Thatcher is an entrepreneur in Nigeria. You guys, one thing I like about her, she was once in Big Brother Nigeria, the season 4 edition, yes, season 4 edition, and since she came out of that house, she have been doing great. Like, she have been doing amazingly well, and I'm so happy for her. I'm so super happy for her. That girl is a very, I don't know the word to qualify that girl. Do you know what is called hustler? Like, she's a hustler. Maybe that's the best word I can think of now to qualify. That girl is a hustler. She just recently launched her hair laser remover and electric toothbrush. Yes, it was just recently launched. She launched it on Saturday, and I ordered mine that same Saturday, and it came to me on Monday. She has a logistic company in her name. She has gym wear in her name. So she's a hustler. And if you don't know who Simply Thatcher is, let me not talk anything. So you guys, she just recently, like I said, she just recently launched her laser hair remover, and I was so happy, because it's like she have me in mind. And that's one thing about her. Her product is something that, like, you need it. It's something she knows that the masses will go for. Like, business strategy, she's on point. So she launched this laser hair remover and also toothbrush on Saturday, being the 21st of August. And I ordered mine that same Saturday. On Monday, it was delivered to me. The logistics that came to deliver it for me was her company, Everything Thatcher. If you are not following her, I'll drop her handle on the screen. Everything Thatcher. To think that she's just 25 years. Come on. So I'm just so hyped and so happy that such a thing is coming from her. So she launched this thing, and I was so fast to grab it, because I've always wanted it. I've always wanted a laser hair remover, but I've not seen it in Nigeria. To be frank with you, if you have seen, please let me know in the comment section. But for me, I've not seen it in Nigeria. So the good thing about her is that she ships worldwide. Wherever you are, she will ship right to you, directly to you. So you guys, I'll put her handle, try and check it out. Trust me, there is nothing that you will not see on that page, and there must be something that will catch your attention. And she produced for the masses. She produced what, especially with women, she produced things that we need. She produced that thing that she knows people want, that these are what people want. So she always have women, men. The other time she launched her clipper for men. She always have men, women, young boys, young girls at mind. So this is it. This is how it came. And trust me, you guys, I also want to add the logistics that came to deliver this, and also the dispatch rider that came to deliver this thing was also from Everything Thatcher, her logistics. She has a logistic company that also delivered this thing, that also delivered this package to me. So and they are so friendly, they are so super friendly. Like, they are talking to you like maybe they might have known you, not like those ones that they are always angry, body is always peppering them. If you're in Lagos, you understand what I'm saying. So these ones are super friendly, so calm. So I ordered this thing that same Saturday that she launched it. On Sunday is no working days, and on Monday it got to me. And I'm surprised because it's 3 to 5 working days, but this is not up to 3 days or 5 working days. So it got to me, and I'm so excited about this particular product. I'm so excited. If you have been dealt it by shaving stick, you understand my joy. And the scare and the fear of using waxing is always painful. Always. You can never get used to waxing because it's always painful. So yeah, I got this one. Immediately she launched it, I grabbed it with my both hands, and I wasn't looking back. So I grabbed it. So I'll be opening it. Wow. Opening it. This is just my home address. The first thing is this. I hope you guys can see it. Okay, the first thing is this, the manual, and this is the content. And this is the content. I hope you guys can see it. There is glasses here. There is shade here for you to prevent yourself whenever you're doing your lesson activity. And this, then the main deal. This particular thing, I'm so excited. The main deal. Oh, let me remove this. What am I even doing? You guys, just look at. Oh, this thing dropped out of it. So this was supposed to be here. It's like it came out. Just look at this beauty. Just look at. Trust me, this is not any paid advert. I'm doing this because this lady needs all the support she can get. Simply Thatcher needs all the support she can get. Yes, I'm saying that with my full chest. For her to think of this, I've always wanted this. I've not seen it in Nigeria. I don't know if you have seen it in Nigeria. Leave it for me in the comment section. But for me, I have not seen this in Nigeria. So that was why I'm so excited. Then it has charger. It's chargeable. You can charge it. Yeah, that is the content. That is the content. So I'm really like, she had me in mind when launching this. So I'm so excited about this product. So I'm so excited about this particular product. Try check her out. Trust me, you must see something that catches your eye. And I'm so serious about that. You must see something that catches your eye. And her delivery is so swift and so smooth. So thank you, Simply Thatcher. Kudos to you. Keep up what you're doing. I love you so much. Just continue with your good work. Continue with what you're doing. Continue with what you're doing. Do not let anything relent you. Do not let anything discourage you. You are doing amazingly well. So you guys, if you have been dealt with by shaving stick, I keep hitting on that particular shaving stick because I've been dealt with it. I've been dealt by shaving stick. Then this is for you. So go get yours. And trust me, you are not going to regret it. So you guys, I'll be ending this video here. I just want to come out here and give you my honest review, my honest opinion about this laser hair remover. And I'll be trying it out because I know, and I'm so excited to be trying this out. Trust me, I'm so excited to be trying this out. So if you are scared of waxing, or you are prone to or you are allergic to shaving stick, then this is definitely for you. So I do not want this video to be too long. So you guys, I will see you in my next video. Kisses to all of you and goodbye.